his fucking. That's just his fucking. Whatchamacallit body. His robot body.
Yeah.
That's all he is.
The head of his robot body. Yeah.
Yeah.
Small meltdown.
Oh, I remember her. She's a pain in the behind. The
Pain
booty.
in the ass.
The booty.
Pain in the ass.
Unfriendly encounter.
Ow! Ow! Ah!
Here's our chance.
Ah!
Deep breath.
Before we do anything. Oh, I guess you can only. Okay. Well then.
This one's for super me.
Hiya!
Failed to finish
Oh,
the level
really?
without super attack.
Bullshit! I'm not doing that. I don't care what you're. I don't know what you're smoking, but that's not happening ever.
You got whatever that was.
I didn't get it. What is it? Oh, 10 points. I had 10 points. I don't know what the 10 points are for, but I got 10 points.
Oh yeah. You gotta wait till they do that. And then...
Yeah. Then destroy them. And ow, you motherfucker! Ow!
Ow! Ow!
Yep.
Where's he going? Smash? Now
Yep.
hit.
Come on. There we go. All right. But you gotta throw your ass around. Yeah. Ow. Don't ask me what song I'm singing, cause it doesn't make sense to me. It's not a real song anyway, no copyright.
Break the rack, please. We got a challenge to do. Ow! Didn't work.
Ow.
Okay.
Ow.
Okay, maybe you need to.
Ow.
Do whatever.
Ow. First of all, you go over here. Oh, I picked up something. I don't know what it was, but I picked up something. Alright, we didn't do it.
No,
so that's good.
we got two more right here.
Ow.
Ow! Alright, I'm about dead from trying to do it.
Alright, no.
This is gonna get.
I found a tape. VHS tape.
Huh?
Those things are so ancient. I still have them.
Can I have a pizza, please? Ow.
Well, I was
I'm
hoping
down.
to find one in it for you. Fuck.
I'll finish you off myself. Deep breath.
Whoops, whoops, I hit the wrong button. Yay.
You ducked under it.
Yay!
Ah.
Come here! Oh, you fucker! I have a pack of poo.
Yeah. Of course it lands on me.
Oh, okay, I found a double pizza. Good thing.
Yeah, I need
You were
that.
almost, yeah, you were almost dead again. Ow! Ah! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck! Oh God! Ah!
No shopping for you. I found whoever.
You found Vernon.
Teamwork is the way.
Ow!
He snuck up on you. You should have remembered.
You can't remember that shit. It's random. Ow!
Ow!
Like that.
Ah.
Ow! Ah, fuck you.
Yes, it's Boston.
I found a disgusting bug. I'm just gonna get me a power up real quick. Oh darn. Okay. Hey! Shush! Shush! There's nobody here. Shredder!
Shredder's here.
Oh, I remember her. Okay, yeah. Tim Tester, I remember. I have this episode on VHS. I love this episode. They got stuck in the fucking... Or an arcade game came to life, basically, is what she was. And that's Toka. Oh
Yeah.
no, that's Razor. That's Razor. Toka was the fox.
The
This
dog.
is Razor. Toka was the fox. He was a fox. He wasn't a dog.
Get her. And then jump away.
And then hit her again. Okay, and then go back. That's Razor.
Stinky guess.
Or Toka. Sorry, that's Toka. I'm dead.
Yep.
Shush! I can't have his problem with you guys yapping.
Dogs
That's
are
only
fun.
that's
Yep.
that's only that's only
Oh, we're
Random's deal. That's his bit.
We're hurt.
Yeah, we are.
Drop.
Ow! Oh, I don't have. I don't
God.
have.
Ruby, don't you start too. Oh gosh, she's gonna drive me nuts. 1 second.
Ow! Okay. Oh, jeez. Alright. Yeah! Perfect! That was perfect synchronicity!
That was good.
Oh my god, that was fucking... God,
Knock it off.
that was so good. Ah, by 2! By 2! Damn! That's happening right behind me and I'm not gonna do anything about it? Are we serious?
You moved. You're down at the bottom now.
Tubular! You found Vernon!
Yeah. Now the next one.
So we go 7. Yeah. I think there's only 14 levels,
running
isn't there?
No,
reptiles.
it was more than that, wasn't it? It was like 16.
No, I don't think so. I don't think there was more. Well,
We've gotta stop them.
it might be something like 16 and not 14, but I don't think it's going to be much more than that. I will say that. I threw the guy at the screen.
Yeah. That's... What did I just...
Ha!
That was a lot of arrows.
Yeah, it was.
Alright, that's enough of that.
What a trip down memory
Hey,
lane.
secret diary found.
Take this.
Ah.
Whoa.
Ah.
That was almost perfect.
Ah,
Alright, well then.
I tried double jumping and didn't let me double jump.
Just because you don't double jump. You only jump. There is no such thing as double jump in this game. You jump.
Yeah, there's a double jump.
No, there isn't. No, you just jump once.
Yeah, over the pit. I need
No,
that.
you just jump. Because I've been trying to double jump if you think there's a double jump, but I don't do a double jump. I just jump.
Think
Do
there was a
you?
double jump.
You gotta be standing in place. I see. Because every time I do it, like, if I'm going forward, it won't let me do a double jump.
Ah! There was just arrows were coming at me.
Yep.
Ah, okay. I live in the pit. That's the infinite spinny,
Yep.
or not the spinny, but the infinite special.
Yeah, ow! Okay. Oh wait, there's enough people here now. Enough people here now. Just gonna keep doing it.
Ow.
Just gonna keep doing. Just gonna keep doing it. Don't care. Gonna keep doing it.
Now your time.
I got enough out of it though. Ow! Oh no, he didn't get me. Aha! And I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I got it. Okay, I'm back to full bar.
Yeah, I'm working on my number 2. Oh my gosh! You
There
surprised
you
to see
are.
us?
Ah,
Ow.
not the newspaper ninja. Those are the worst ninjas ever. I need that.
Oh, these guys block. That's why. Ah!
Fuck you. Go! Ow! Defeat 3 enemies using traps. Yay! Haha! I kicked your ass. Literally.
And this was for a high-risk assignment.
VHS game!
I love danger.
Ow! This definitely like reminds me of like the music definitely reminds me of like 90s style almost R&B rap kind of stuff, or actually 80s, like late 80s. What is it gonna? Okay.
I don't know what it was. I was dodging these guys.
I got the disgusting bug plus a 2 pizza.
Okay. Oh, I can't
Yeah.
hit him. You two together?
Again?
Dump, you wimps!
You cannot
Ow.
kick me. Ah,
You off my stuff.
too much. Too much. He's getting hit too much
okay.
by all this.
Okay. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump. You're almost down. 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 Ow. Come on. Oh, I got him stuck in a corner. I got him stuck in a corner. He's down. He's dead.
I'm down
I know. Which one is? No. Ah! Damn it! I keep forgetting which one's RB and which one's LB. Fuck you. Fuck you. Ah, la, 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 la. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're pork meat. You're bacon.
Extra life added.
Oh, yeah. Hey, I win. Wait. How come you still get the award? I got more KOs. I got the longest hit streak. I hear the bell.
Come on, let's go!
Oh, this one.
Oh, I hate this one.
It's just like the skateboard one. Oh, yeah.
Which is why I hate it.
Panic in the sky!
Oh, yeah, Manhattan skyline guy. This guy, yeah. He's a pain in my ass. Do you still have to jump at these motherfuckers? Really? Oh, God. That's super annoying. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I mean,
Like,
they
you're
don't
gonna-
have many hit points.
I know, but like, the annoying part is that you're already like hovering in midair. You shouldn't have to jump after these guys. You're doing the same thing that they are doing. Power up, or power level up, yeah! Ow! Fuck you, you fucking flying little bastards! Ow! Ah! I used him to block the fucking bad things in front of me.
Mm-hmm. I saw that.
I'm almost down again.
Yeah, I see this. I guess. Pizzas.
Pizza!
I missed mine.
Why'd you miss your pizza? That was
I
so
didn't
easy
get that
pizza!
much.
Ow! You stupid pig.
It is the way. You see the TMNT blimp? It's right there.
I was trying to do the thing again. I was trying to do the thing again. How did I miss all those? Ow, ow.
Now it kind of went more 80s music.
Yeah. This kind of reminds me a little bit of Crush 40. Yeah. Blow you up like dynamite! Hell yeah!
I'm just over here dancing while you're fighting things. Ah!
Fucking right!
Ah, where am I at?
Ow! Ow! What the? Sure, you could have just done that this entire time. God.
Done what?
Just killed them both like that, just one shot.
Maybe.
Hey, thank you guys for using your bodies against that missile. I appreciate it. Pizza!
Pizza time.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. This is it. Yep. This is it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you just drop your boss like that?
No, no, no. Where are those? No, 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 no.
Ow.
No. No. Okay. That's enough of that. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Nope. Nope. Nope.
Ow.
Nope.
Ow, you fucker! I was meditating.
Ah! He's going for you. Stop flying
There we
out of
go.
here. Ow!
Ow, come on! It was right there at the last second!
You're dead.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
Looks like another victory.
I mean, you already had one.
I know, but I didn't know he was down that low.
Yeah, I wasn't paying attention until I hit him.
Hey, what do you know? 32 KOs with the longest hit streak of 32. I'm very consistent.
Yes.
Down there, by the beach.
Other than the last round, I've been pretty consistently better.
Right. Yeah, we're already getting close to the end.
We have to go up into that other world. And...
Yeah, but it's not that far because we're basically gonna go straight back through the town, go to the top side, and there's like maybe 5 more levels after this. I
Yeah,
think.
we gotta go up to the left, and then we gotta go up, I think, 1 or 2. And then you gotta go like 3 or 4 in the other place.
No, I think there's only like I think there's only like 2 for the other place. And one of them's like the last place. Either way, we've gotten through a lot faster than what I was thinking. We're only like an hour in, I think. Come on. Come on.
No, I forgot about those. I forgot about those. You just hit that one.
I found my spirit. How dare you move exactly where I turned out to be when I landed? That's cheating. Thank you for throwing them over here. Damn. You go. Don't.
There's another one there. Be careful.
Yeah. I might have forgotten. Oh man.
There's a power up there.
How dare you fucking catch me? Alright.
Ring toss.
I like that guy. He seems really fun.
Not so much anymore.
Oh, that's not the same guy. That guy would never do what these guys are doing. Alright.
How about that guy?
Him! He's so fun!
And he's
so
coming out.
Fun and likable.
Ah.
Owie!
Ow.
Found a bug. I found a bug. Owie! I'm down.
Perhaps I can be of some assistance.
Please, by the power of pizza, bring my son back to me.
Hey,
Pizza time! Alright. You know what? Fuck all you. Get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna get my fucking power up back. There we go, okay. Ow! Hit the fires! Hit the fire! Yeah, there you go.
Wow.
I've been trapped! I've been trapped again.
It's alright, I helped.
Alrighty. Ooh. Pop
Pop a balloon.
Just,
I popped a few of them.
I also popped a few. Nothing? Seriously? Put a big old breakable object there and nothing happens?
Ow, I found the plank again.
Yes, you did. Ow! Fuck you!
Didn't want anything to do with me.
Fuck you!
That, there's a plank there.
Yep. That's why I went to the upseas.
Ow! You
They
stepped
threw
on
me
it
on the.
without getting hit?
Well, because I got hit. Like, so I went over it when I went down. So I'm now wondering if it didn't glitch a little bit there. Ah, Croco boy.
You don't be a skinhead.
Leatherhead.
Croco boy. Ba-da-da-da-da. Ow.
How did he hit me? I was on the backside. Yeah, that time I hit.
Oh, he fucking went underneath.
Yeah.
Okay. I got him. Oh, ow! I'm just gonna wait until he gets near me. Come on,
I mean,
come near me. Come near me. Come near me. Have him come near me. Ha! Okay, well, that was very underwhelming. Not gonna lie. Ow! I'm almost dead. I'm dead.
Perhaps I
back.
can be of some assistance.
Ow!
You're welcome.
Bullshit!
I missed him. Meditation.
Ba-da-da-da-da! I got him! And then that happened, and I killed him! I killed him! Hi! I'm flashing red.
101. There, I got
Nice.
everything. It's all mine.
It is my time. Game Grumps. It is my time. Special requests unlocked.